I'm really excited to bring you our Biomagnetism and Beyond online training seminar, where you can learn to unleash your body's innate healing abilities. I have compiled all of the information from our in-person training seminars and made it available online. I will guide you through the how-tos covering the basics, step by step, and highlighting common mistakes to avoid. My course isn't just about biomagnetism. It includes a wealth of bonus material. I share insights from my research experience, delve into nutritional issues such as the science behind dairy, and even provide a specialized Herman Dough Soup recipe for babies to improve their nutrition and developmental outcomes. You'll be inspired by the stories of my clients and students and how they've applied biomagnetism to positively impact others. Imagine how simple it could be to maintain your health and that of your loved ones with just a pair of these.